Keyboard setting. Now we're going to show you the keyboard setting project. There are three functions we're going to use. 1. Data entry. 2. Basic button. 3. Data variable display. Now let's start with the basic button. The button effect we will set as page number 50. And while we set the button as keyboard, we should set the key value here. We'll choose the key value as button 1, but just click the number 1 here. And then we will simply clone the button, drag it to the button 2, then just change the key's value here. After we set all the keys button, we shall use the data entry function to write the value we input into the storage. We may define the storage address as 0100 and variable type as double word. The number of digits we can set as 2. Display location we can set as here. With the following parameter, we can customize the text display. An input display mode we can select as direct display or marked by stars. We can also set an input range if we like to. We shall use the keyboard in current page by check this option. The final step is to set a text display for the number we input. So we will use the variable data display function here. We should set the variable storage address as same as the data entry and customize the text display also. After we set all things down, save and generate the config file, and then we can use Effect Preview function to check.